Hey everyone, in this video we're going to talk about SSL offloading at a load balancer. So basically when a communication happens, as you all know, the communication happens between a client and a server, and there is a load balancer in between which balances the load, right? And SSL offloading is a concept where you ensure that the SSL handshake is finished at the load balancer end. How will this work in a real-time environment? Let's assume you are at a bar or a pub, right? At every country, there is a minimum restriction of age for people who can be served drinks. Assume that there's no bouncer or the bouncer isn't checking your ID. You go all the way in, and every time you need to buy a drink, the server will get a look at your ID, and then if that passes, he gives you a drink. How much delay will it cause? So now assume that the bouncer is doing the checks at the start. So now he knows, and whoever is above 18, he attaches you a ribbon or a band, right? So now when you get in, all the server of the drinks need to check for is that particular tag. In the same way, SSL offloading, when there is SSL offloading happening at a load balancer, the communication is encrypted till the load balancer, but there is a special encryption that's happening between the load balancer and the server, and that is where this particular encryption is happening to ensure and reduce the load on the server to ensure that all the communication is still encrypted. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment below. Thank you so much.